it's so important that we embrace our te ao, our Māori, our kaupapa. I think it's thriving at the moment. The world's acknowledging that as well.
I was keen to have a look at your core values because that's what sits at the bottom of Māoridom. We've got our whakapapa that brings us into a long line of intergenerational knowledge, and it's those principles that are passed down to us.
We had a light discussion about violence and the impacts of that and how you can address it using Māori values, and they feel the safety that E Tū Whānau provides, actually ready to have that open kōrero, which is where it all starts.
I'm going to be taking these resources home, back to Brisbane, and sharing with our whānau who are very lost over there.
I've had the privilege of seeing E Tū Whānau on the ground, and I know how important our te ao Māori, tikanga, mātauranga Māori, our whakapapa is the solution to our healing, to preventing violence, to living safe, loving lives, which is what our tūpuna have left for us as a tool.
E Tū Whānau.